So you're tired of answering the same 5 messages over and over again through WhatsApp? Why don't you let a bot do this for you? In this video, I will show you how to set up an AI chatbot on WhatsApp without any coding knowledge, and very easy, just in a few minutes. We will do this in a little example of an Airbnb. Just imagine you're a host of an Airbnb, you have the same 50 questions getting asked over and over again by your tenants, and I will show you how to automate this. This, of course, also works for all kind of other businesses and verticals. So let's first go into the settings in Superchat, then on the left side AI chatbot, and then create a new AI chatbot, and we will give it a name. I will just call it Airbnb just to keep it simple, and then we choose the prompt examples from Superchat. Then we use support, as it's going to be a support chatbot, and then we just have to fill the little X's there with our information. So your goal is to understand the customer's problem with your stay at the Airbnb, and then very easy to understand the solution. Always maintain a friendly component. Yeah, that's fine. Your name is Airbnb. Start of the recognition. Okay, has any further questions about the stay, accommodation, or things to do around the flat? More questions about your stay on our Airbnb. And then for exclusive topics and get directly related to accommodation, the flat, Airbnb, whatever. Do not make the bot go and talk about anything else than this stay. All right, continue. Now we have to add a little bit of knowledge so that the AI chatbot knows what to answer and where to get the data from. 2 options here: upload a file or website. If you have a nice FAQ on your website, just add the link of your website if you have all the data provided there. If not, just use any Excel or any document, create a nice PDF with questions and answers, and give this FAQ to your chatbot, and it'll take over from there and just answer all the questions. That's what I did here. I made a little Airbnb FAQ assistant, 50 questions from Airbnb, and we will just upload this one, and then it should be fine. All right, Airbnb FAQ assistant, uploading, continue, and with this data we will train the chatbot and it'll answer all the questions from there. All right, okay, Airbnb is ready. Test your chatbot, understood. Now let's ask a question. So what's the Wi-Fi password? Very basic question. Every Airbnb tenant probably needs. Sometimes you have to look for the little paper, where is it hanging? Is it somewhere in the fridge? Or where do I find the Wi-Fi password? From now on, you can just provide this WhatsApp chat to your tenants and they will always know it. All right, works perfectly fine. So first step is done. Now, second step. Now we have to add it to our WhatsApp chat. So we go back, automations, and we create a new automation, create it from scratch, and then we just go add a new trigger. If the contact sends us a message, we delete this message content because we actually don't care what type of message it is. And then we just go here and we go AI chatbot. So every time someone writes us a message, the AI chatbot is going to start answering your questions, and then we should be perfectly fine of doing this. All right, then we just publish here. Missing some content. We have to choose our Airbnb chatbot, publish, and continue anyway. And then we should be ready to go. Perfect. Then let's test it out directly. I'll open my WhatsApp chat and write a little message. And I'm just going to be testing the same thing. What's the Wi-Fi password? Oh, what's the Wi-Fi? That should be enough. We close here, go back there. Inbox, conversations. All right, what's the Wi-Fi is coming in. And now there should be, hi, I'm Airbnb. Perfect. Worked perfectly fine. And that should be it.